What is SI unit of flux? SI unit of flux is Weber. 1 Weber is equivalent to 1 volt second. What do you mean by stay loss in squirrel cage induction motor? The loss other than stator copper loss, rotor copper loss, iron loss, friction and windage loss is called stay loss. Examples of stay losses are skin effect. The resistance of stator conductor increases due to skin effect, which creates additional copper loss in stator conductor. Harmonics. Harmonic means higher frequency components in supply voltage. These create additional iron loss in stator core. This loss cannot be calculated measured easily and is taken as 5% of power input as per IEC. It is a variable loss. Mostly standard followed in design of AC motor is IEC. What is a full form of IEC? Full form of IEC is International Electrotechnical Commission. It prepares and publishes international standards for all electrical, electronics and related technologies. Headquarters of IEC is in Geneva, Switzerland. In a very large AC motor, it may not be possible to do back-to-back tests to determine efficiency. It may be due to the reason that similar machine is not available to do back-to-back test. In that case, efficiency is calculated by sum of losses method. Various losses in squirrel cage induction motor are stator copper loss, rotor copper loss, iron loss, friction and windage loss, and stay loss. Stator copper loss is measured as follows. The resistance per phase R1 is measured by VI method. Knowing stator current I1 and R1, stator copper loss is given by PSCU is equals to 3I1 square R1. Fixed loss is found as follows. No load test is done on the motor. No load power P0 and no load current I0 is measured. Fixed loss is equals to P0 minus I0 square R1. Iron loss and mechanical loss are separated as follows. Iron loss PFE depends on voltage V, whereas friction and windage loss PFW is independent of voltage V. P naught minus I naught square R1 versus voltage V is plotted. The loss which is independent of voltage is friction and windage loss PFW. The loss which varies with voltage is iron loss PFE. Before going further, let us draw power stages in squirrel cage induction motor. Mechanical power output is equal to output power plus friction and windage loss. Rotor copper loss is equal to slip times the rotor input. Mechanical power developed PM is equal to 1 minus S into rotor input. P2 is equal to PM divided by 1 minus S. Rotor copper loss is equal to S into P2. Input power is equal to output power plus losses. Stay loss is considered 5% of input power. Hence, input power equals to output power plus PSCU plus PFE plus PRCU plus PFW plus 0.05 into P in. Hence, P in is equal to P out plus PSCU plus PRCU plus PFE plus PFW divided by 0.95. Efficiency eta is equal to P out by P in into 100%. Superconducting generators have higher efficiency due to reduced rotor copper loss. What is meant by high temperature superconductors? These exhibits superconductivity, that is, zero electrical resistance at temperature above liquid nitrogen 77 Kelvin, which is significantly higher than traditional superconductors. These are easier and more economical to cool than conventional superconductors. Example is cuprate YBA2Cu3O7.